This video is about how to connect to a SpectroVis analysis wirelessly. The first thing you want to do is to go to the App Store and download Vernier Spectra Analysis, and you will get a page that looks similar to this. The next thing you want to do is go to your Go Direct SpectroVis Plus, and you want to press the wireless connection button as displayed on the screen with the arrow, and you will get a light for the third button down. You see a red light, a green light, and that's a blue light. That is the Bluetooth wireless connection light. Once you press that button and the light lights up, you will get the spectral analysis on your phone, and on this page you would have a connection where you would press connect here. Once you connect on the screen, it would tell you that the lamp is warming up, and you would need to let the lamp warm up before you can calibrate the instrument. Once the lamp warms up, you will be prompted to put a cuvette with distilled water into the SpectroVis, and everything else would be shown on the screen on how to calibrate the instrument. You would be given a step-by-step direction. Thanks for listening. Bye.